look at the SABI robot vacuum cleaner. And open it up, so you get in the box. And then I shall set it up. It's got an app with it, so I'll install that. You've got the user manual on the top. I shall have a good read through that. As I say, put the app on. It's foam protection. Got the main vacuum cleaner here. Take that out. You've got brushes. Looks like you've got two sets. You've got a spare set of brushes with it. I think they take two. I'll have a look in a second. A spare filter, cleaning brush. And that looks like the docking station. And it's a cleaning cloth, because this does floor mopping. There's the docking station. I shall set all this up when I try it out. There's the power lead. And remote control. I think that probably takes a couple of double A's. Yeah, treble A's, sorry. 2 treble A's that'll take. I'll put the batteries in that to try it out. There's the docking station. Put their filters over there. This has got a cleaning pad, mop pad fitted. Oh, it's got a Velcro's attachment. Wheels there, brushes. It's got foam holding it in place. These will remove. And the front screen to remove. I shall get all that ready to try out, and I'll give it a good charge up and install the app, and then I shall come back when I'm trying it out. This is now charged, and I'm going through the instructions. I've got to add the device. I've put the WeBack app on my phone, so I shall press add. That's to scan a QR code. Just trying to scan the QR code. That's scanned. Right, I've got to enter the wireless password. Let's just do that. Let's just turn the power off. Power on.
Welcome, use robot vacuum cleaner. Glad to serve you.
Right, press and hold for 5 seconds. Okay. Confirm above. Yes. Next. Okay. Right, it's now looking for device. Says device initiating, device registration to Smart Cloud. Connection succeeded. Right, and that's connected. Confirm. Just check through, let's scan. Ah, there we are, WeBack on standby. Okay. And that's it, that's the app. Next I shall come back and try it all out, see how it goes. I'm now going to give it a good test out and run it around the house. And have with the mapping. Battery's 100%. So let's start it auto cleaning, and I shall come back.
Start cleaning.
You can adjust the fan on here. Let's put it on strong.
Start back clean.
And that's it. As I say, I shall let it go around the house and then I'll come back and show the mapping and see how it's gone. It's now had a good run round, and I've just returned it to the charging bay, which fine, it came back. It got tangled up once with one of my daughter's hairbands, so I had to stop it and clean it out. So that's since it's been restarted. Now if I switch it off the main set, and I shall give it a clean. There's the dust. Now this releases, it's got a magnetic connection, so that just releases there. It comes out of there. It seemed to do a fairly good job. I emptied it when it got tangled up as well. So if I just turn it over, this releases for cleaning this brush. And this just comes out, and it comes with this tool. There's a little blade on there that can take hairs off, cut hairs, and give that a good clean. Place that. These brushes also come off. Here under them. Now, a tip for these, I found that they get very misshapen after a while. You can clean them and then drop them in boiling water and they'll just come back to shape. That works quite well. These are left and right brushes. They're marked and marked on here, so you can't get it wrong. It gives good audio cues. When it gets tangled up, it tells you, when you lift it up, it stops. What I shall do next is I shall try the mop attachment on there and give it a run round with that and see how it goes with that. I'm now going to try it with the mop. That just clips on the bottom. I've filled the tank with a floor cleaning solution there. And let's put that in. Ready to go, and I shall give that a try and see how that works out.
Mopping start.
Yeah, I can see it, the mopping going on the floor. And I'll let that run round and see how that does, and then finally I shall come back with my full written review.